In this video, I am going to show you the best way to send bulk emails using your Gmail account. Let's get into it. Welcome to Sasmedia Studio. On this channel, we create lessons about email marketing, bulk email marketing, cold email marketing, business marketing, website development, and a lot of content, even related to AI tools, right? So if you want these kind of content, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. Now let's head straight to the video. Alright, so all you have to do is to log in into your Gmail account. Very important. And those who want to learn how to create an SMTP server that can send 20k of emails per day, go and check out the course on Udemy, right? Yes, I'll leave the link at the description and also at the first comment. Okay, so now we just have to click on compose over here, and we have two sections over here. So we have the to and we have the subject, and this is the message section, right? So first of all, we need to enter our email address and also the subject and the message. So I have some list of data over here. So this data is a business leads that I extracted using the Leads Harvester Pro. So if you want these two, I'll leave the link at the description and also at the first comment. Make sure you go and check it out. It's very cheap. Okay, yes, that is it. So I'm just going to click here on the email section, and I'm just going to click on sort and filter, right? So I'm going to click on filter over here, and I'm going to click here to filter all the emails. So I'm going to deselect the blanks so that it will give me only leads with emails, right? Good. So I'm just going to right click here to copy that, and I'm going to open Notepad and I'm going to paste it inside there, right? So I'm just going to paste it over here. Good. So I think I have two duplicates over here, but the phone numbers are different, right? So that is why it was duplicated, right? So I'm just going to copy the first email address. Okay, I'm going back to Gmail and I'm going to paste it over here. That is only the first email address. The rest of the email address, I'm going to click on BCC. So I'm just going to click on that. Yes, and I'm going to paste the rest over there. So I'm just going to click here, right? And I'm going to scroll to the button and I'm going to press Shift and I'm going to press the last line over here to select from that line to the last line, or to wherever I want to select to. So I'm just going to right click here and I'm going to click on copy. Then back here, I'm going to click on BCC again and I'm going to paste it over here. Now the reason why we are using BCC is because we don't want other email addresses to see that the emails or the email that we are going to send has been sent to a lot of email addresses. You understand? Yes. So if you use copy, that means that it is going to send the message. It's going to tell every recipient that, hey, this email address has been sent to multiple email addresses. You understand? Yes. And if you use the to, it's the same thing. So that's why we are using BCC, just to say that, hey, we are going to sign a blind copy. They are not going to see that the email address has been sent to others, right? Good. Or better still, you can decide not to even use the to. You can use the BC, but I prefer one at the to and the BCC, right? And I'm going to enter my subject over here. I have a template over here. Stop paying monthly leads. Okay, so I'm going to use this first option, right, for the lead harvester, right? So just going to paste it over here, right? And I'm going to copy the body of the message right to this section. Then I am going back and I'm going to add it over here. So I'm just going to remove this because I'm not sending personalized email. So I'm going to create a special video on how you can send personalized emails, right? Like mention the name of the company, right? Yes, so that's it. So let's be honest, monthly right? So we built a better way, meet lead Haster Pro, and yes, yes, over here. Then the best part, I'm just giving some spaces. So chair and say link get licenses whatever. So it should be this, right? Something like that. And it should be the link should be hidden over here, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to visit the website over here, and I'm going to copy the link over here back here, and I'm going to click on this insert link. I'm going to insert it, and I'm going to click on apply, and that is it. All right, so that is the body of the message. I'm going to read it high. Let's be honest, monthly subscription for lead generation tools are a drain. You pay $50 to $100 every month, whether you use the data or not. We built a better way. Meet Lead Harvester Pro, the desktop lead scraping engine that lets you harvest unlimited B2B leads from Google Maps without monthly fees. Price switch, zip code precision. Most scrapers just set city name and miss 40% of leads. We look through every single zip code for maximum coverage. Live data, no stale database. If they are on Google Map today, they are in your CSV today. Deep enrichment, we crawl the business website to find emails and contact information automatically. The best part, you pay once, you own the software forever. Get lifetime access to lead, and they say stop renting your data, whatever. Cheers, the Lead Harvester team, and good to go. Yes, and that is all. We can maybe add the whatever it's okay. I was thinking we can add a business email address so that they can send us a business email, right? That'll be perfect. So support, right? Yes, something like that, and this is it. So you just have to click on send and wait for your lead to be sent. Note this, Gmail has limitation. You can only send 500 emails per day. So if you want to send more than 500 emails, you need your own SMTP, all right? Or you can buy an SMTP from shop.smartivatepro.com. I'll leave the link at the description and also the first comment. And those who want to create their own SMTP, now can say 20k of emails per day, I have a course on Udemy. I'll leave the link at the description and also at the first comment. Make sure you check it out. Right, so thank you for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell icon so that when I upload a video you will be notified. Thank you, and let's meet in the next video.